Hi there, I'm Jules from thestonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. Okay, so first thing you want to do for the salmon, tandoori salmon, and you could use chicken, you could use whatever you want with this, like chickpeas, it doesn't have to be salmon. It's really nice with all those things. So I'm just going to prep the salmon, and because I'm going to actually cut it into thirds just so that it cooks more quickly. And if your fillets are really big, you might even want to cut it into 4 pieces. So this one I might, because it's a bit thicker, I'm going to cut it into 4. And that just helps it cook a bit quicker. I'm going to use a tandoori spice blend that I get from my favorite spice man. But if you don't have that, you can just use like 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika and 2 teaspoons of any curry powder will work really well. But I'll just use a tablespoon of the tandoori spice blend, a quarter of a teaspoon of salt, and a couple of tablespoons of oil. I'm just using like a regular olive oil, not extra virgin. And give that a little mix, like a rimmed baking sheet lined with baking paper, just for easier cleanup, but you don't have to do that if you don't want to. Then I'm just going to get a packet of mostly defrosted cauliflower rice. You could just put some frozen stuff straight on, but it'll just mean that it'll take a couple of extra minutes to cook. So you want to spread that out. Great. And then just make some little holes to put in your bits of salmon, because you actually want the salmon to touch the tray so that it'll cook quicker that way. So we want to get our salmon in, because if it's sitting on top of the cauliflower, that kind of buffers it and then the heat doesn't get through as quickly. And then our next last fun job is just to pour our lovely tandoori spice over the salmon or whatever you're using for your protein. Beautiful. And then don't wait for the oven to come up to temperature. Just wherever it is, just pop it in. So you've got your oven on the highest setting, and then we'll just pop this in now and give it 12 minutes, and then we'll have a check. Great. So our salmon and rice or cauliflower have had 12 minutes in the hot oven, and that's looking well and truly cooked. So I probably could have even got them out a bit earlier, but that is fine. So then I'm just going to serve with some yogurt, Greek yogurt, and some mint leaves and roast cashews sprinkled over. So if you enjoyed this recipe, come on over to my blog. It's thestonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with simple recipes just like this one.